Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So for gold, I think that we're in a correction right now, but I do not think that the higher time frame uptrend is over. This could be the top of a wave 3 right here. We could be in a wave 4, and if we are in a wave 4, I would expect this wave 4 to last at least a couple days. So maybe this is going to actually end up turning into more of a complex pattern, but as of right now, it looks like it's making an A and a B. It could just be an A, B, C of like a more complex pattern, like a 333 pattern, but I got my Fibonacci retracement on there. It definitely looks like it's trying to make a move down. I would expect this to go down and make a wave C. Then if it breaks structure to the back, to the upside, then I would definitely go long after that. But overall, I think potentially we could get a wave down for like a wave C of wave 4. But like I said, it could turn into like an ABC, 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 like a WXY or something along those lines, or maybe even a flat for the wave 4. Because if it is a wave 4, the wave 4 should definitely last a few days. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.